Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make a salad with bean sprout. This is so simple to make. It's good for summer, good for side dish, and we're gonna dress with a hot sour sauce. Let's get started. So I have 1 pack of bean sprouts. These are the bean sprouts grown from mung beans. There's another bean sprout grown from soybeans. And this is triple washed, ready to use. And I just need 1 green onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. If you mind raw garlic, and skip it. So for bean sprout, we got it from local farmers market. You don't have to go to Asian market to get a pack of bean sprouts. First, we're going to blanch the bean sprouts. When the water is boiling, we add bean sprout. This pack is 12 ounces. And we just blanch about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to transfer the bean sprout into ice water. Shark in the ice water for about a minute. Now we're ready to dress our salad. Just make sure we get rid of excess water here. And we add garlic. And this is a homemade chili oil. I will leave a link in the description box below how to make this at home. And you make once, it will last you for a few weeks to months. Depends on how spicy you want. And this is a light soy sauce. I do not measure. My family doesn't measure when we cook. This is rice vinegar. Always taste it, right? Adjust it. Just a little bit of salt. And toss this together. Let me just try a piece. It's hot, which is good, and optional. Can add some sesame seeds. Think of it a little bit more soy sauce. Yep, taste it and adjust it, right? A little more vinegar, rice vinegar. And we just garnish with green onions. And our salad is ready. Are you ready for bean sprout salad?
Looks great. It smells great too.
Yeah.
I love the hot and sour.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers. That's great.
Isn't it hot and sour?
It is hot a little bit. Ooh.
Still crunchy, right?
I love it.
Refreshing. And bean sprouts, I have so many.
This would be good
vitamins.
really cold.
I know. We shocked in ice water. Yeah, if you want it even colder, you can leave it in the reserve for some time before you have it.
Wow, that's great.
Please try to make it. It took a while, less than 10 minutes, right?
Ah, it's
To
easy.
make this salad, and the ingredients are simple. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.